Come to the next topic, accounting standard. As per section 129 of the Companies Act 2013, the financial statement of an enterprise should depict a true and fair view of its operating results and financial position. Is it clear? But the fair and true view has not been defined in the Companies Act 2013 and in any other statutes. As per the GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle, in the form of concept and convention, have developed to bring comparability and uniformity, but GAAP has allowed large number of alternative treatments for the same transaction. That's why the firm may adopt the different accounting policies for the same transaction of an enterprise, or an enterprise may follow the different accounting policies for the same transaction over the period of time. Okay, as a result, the financial statement become uncomparable and it is inconsistent. Hence, the certain accounting standard is required to neutralize the diverse effect of accounting policies and practices, so that there will be the minimum possibility of ambiguity and uncertainty. Globally, the International Accounting Standard Committee came into existence for that particular reason. In globally, the International Accounting Standard Committee came into existence on 29th June 1973. In this date came into existence. International Accounting Standard Committee has come into existence on this date. They are the two associate members of this committee. One is Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, and second one is Institute of Cost and Works Accountant of India. The two associate members of this International Accounting Standard Committee from India, one is Institute of Chartered Accountant of India and second one is Institute of Cost and Works Accountant of India. Institute of Chartered Accountant of India developed the accounting standard for our country as per the prevailing conditions and practices. And time to time they do the amendment in the accounting standards. What is accounting standard? Accounting standard is a written statement. It's a written statement issued from time to time by the institution of accounting bodies, or accounting professionals, like Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, Institute of Cost and Works Accountant of India. So Institute of Professionals or professional body, these bodies is specifying uniform rules and practices, so that each and every enterprise apply the same accounting practices. So uniformity is very important, uniform rules and practices for drawing the financial statement. For drawing means for the preparation of financial statement, means income statement and positional statement, balance sheet. You may say that it is a code of conduct. imposed on accountant by custom, law or professional bodies.